Good afternoon, everybody. Welcome to Bitcoin Bulls. Yeah, we're in a consolidation phase right now. We're stuck between 48 and 52,000. It's not changing much. I have been buying the dips and below 50,000 and then selling above, at 52. So, chopping a little money off the top, waiting for the big next move. So, I don't know when that's going to happen. So, we'll soon see. Really, none of the indicators, it's hard to tell with a lot of indicators right now. I mean, looking at the basic chart, we are below the 21, we're below the 200, we're below the 50. That's not good. I mean, you're below all three major lines. Here, 2 hour, we're above the 200, which is better. And it looks like we're catching up in the 4 hour. And then back on the 6 hour, we're back below the 21 and the 50. 6 hour, that was 6 hour. 12 hour, looks like we're going below the 21 and very close to the 50. So those are not looking good. So I would say I would agree with BitMEX funding that, well, not BitMEX funding, yeah, or was it Hash Ribbon? Yeah, Hash Ribbon. I agree with the Hash Ribbon. It's a buy. I mean, we're in a buy territory, really. I mean, yeah, I know it's gone up to 52,000 or whatever, but when you're in a consolidation like this, one or two things are going to happen. It's going to drop 20 30%, and you're going to get it really cheap, or it's going to skyrocket. So if it goes down 10-20%, great, fantastic, man. I love it. So that'll be good. If it goes up 50% or something, that's fantastic too. So anyway, taking a quick look at the charts on RSI, like at a 45 on the 1 hour, about same on the 2, same on the 4, 44 on the 6, and like 48 on the 12 hour. So not really much movement of an indication of anything. Looking at the Stochastic Rsi, we'll probably see similar thing. In the 1 hour, going down to 30, and then backing up to 50 in 2 hours, and then on the 4 hour, get a real bump up to like 90 something before it starts to head back down. So that could give it a little boost. But then on your 6 hour, you go way down to 0, and then you pop back up to 50. And then on the 12 hour, not looking good. So yeah, well, not looking good for high prices, but for buying, fabulous. Okay. 1 hour MACD, a little wishy-washy, down, came on the way up on the 2 hour, on the 4 hour, yeah, trying to come up, but looks like on the 6 hour it broke back below, and the 12 hour it's heading down. That's not good. Okay, look at the hash yard, look at hash ribbon. Let me look at the BitMEX funding. which we haven't had below the zero line since January 27th, of course, like I've been saying forever. Really not a lot of history to go back on the funding rate. 2 hour, 4 hour, 6 hour. And I mean, you can see we're at like an 01, so on a 6 hour. On a 12 hour, you know, well, actually, really, I'm probably going to read in the red, so we're about at 8. Go back to the 6 hour, we're at about a 0.08, so we stay about the same. On a 4 hour, we're way up at 0.14, so it starts coming down later in the evening as far as the funding rate, which could be a good thing because you want the funding rate down. Because that means they're getting ready to buy, so the funding rate goes down. So let's see what Crown's funding rate indicators say. Come on, Crown. Let's go, brother. Okay, let's see what we have. Market data. Okay, looking for the... Okay. Alright. So, base FX is at not 0.63, which is fine. Whatever Durbit is, that's a little low. Phoenix is perfect, it's good shape. FTX great. OKX little low. Bybit positive, BitMEX in the positive, Binance in the positive. So they're all in the positive. So so that means that they are, yeah, they're not really moving. You've got to see a consistent change for 2 or 3 days in a row on these to get an idea if something's happening, but there's really not a lot happening there. Let's see, open interest per exchange is gone down to 497 million. Global funding rate is way down, and let's see, trading volume, Bitcoin dominance is at 60%. 61.35, which is about where it's been for the last few months. Open interest has fallen from, what is it, 200 million to 7,362 million. So 2,000 million in open interest. So, and market cap, fear and greed index, we had been riding in the 90s, the high 90s for a long time. 92, 91 on February 21st, and today we are at a 79. So we've lost a little bit of the confidence. That's because it's in consolidation. You know, consolidations can last, I mean, for a month, a year. I mean, 2018, 19, I think it was like a year of consolidation between 3,800 and, you know, $6,000. It was crazy. You know, it was boring. You know, so this is an exciting time to be involved in Bitcoin, because believe me, when it gets stagnant, if it gets stagnant and it's not really doing anything, yeah, it's boring. But anyway, just a short video. I got a date tonight with a nice little lady. So I got to get ready for that, because it's going to be an early dinner. And anyway, I appreciate her going. She's really sweet. Anyway, y'all have a good day. And yeah, just keep watching those margins. 48,000 to 52. If they break either one of those sides, then, you know, it's up or down, depending if it breaks 48 or if it breaks 52. And so, you know what to do. Anyway, thanks guys. Have a blessed day. Be careful.